Have you had to file bankruptcy? Either a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13? If you have, do you still think you can buy a home? Well, here's the answer. Yes, you can. And I get this question a lot. Kev, I filed bankruptcy. And the first thing we talk about is which type of bankruptcy. So a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is when you wipe away all your debt, it's all clean, it's gone, okay? A Chapter 13 bankruptcy is when there is a 5-year agreement with the courts that you make payments on. The court takes over all of your debts and they pay a little bit towards all the debts over a 5-year period. Now there's deals made where once those payments are made after 5 years, you're done. So let's talk about Chapter 7 first. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you're going to have to wait 2 years to be able to buy a home. And that is using your government loans, which are your VA, FHA, or USDA. So those are government-backed loans. And so the government says after 2 years, you can buy a house. Now, a Chapter 13, here's the funny part of a Chapter 13. After 1 year inside of that 5-year plan, you can actually buy a house. But here's the deal. You've got to go to the trustee, that's the court, and get permission to buy a home. The lender is going to have to get a payment history, just like we talked about applications in our other videos. They have to go through that application. They have to go through your payment history to make sure you haven't missed any payments and you hadn't been late on those payments to the court. In 24 years of doing this business, I've never seen the court say no to somebody that's in a Chapter 13. The answer to your question is, can you still buy a home if you file bankruptcy? The answer is yes. Chapter 7, you've got 2 years for government loans, and on the conventional side, you've got to wait 4 years. On the Chapter 13 side, after the first year of making the payments, after 1 year, you can buy using an FHA or a government loan. If you like this type of information, hit like, hit subscribe. If this helps you, leave us a comment.